Muncie's wastewater treatment plant is becoming even safer. Newslink Indiana's Mary Eber tells us how workers and neighbours won't have to worry anymore about hazardous chemicals in the water. Mary?
These ultraviolet lights at the water pollution control facility allow water to pass through them before they enter the White River. Now, these lights are typically not seen, but because disinfection season ended yesterday, the bulbs are out for maintenance. Now, before the plant used ultraviolet lights to treat the water, they used to use chlorine gas.
It's not technically part of the mandated plan. It's a definite improvement for us, not only currently, but for the future.
The lights aren't required, but Barlow says it'll be easier to meet state requirements. The Sanitary District Board funded this improvement to make the plant and the surrounding area safer.
When a cylinder's empty, you have to change one. They're 1-ton cylinders full of this compressed chlorine, so that's pretty dangerous stuff. So you actually have to hook one up and unhook the other one. So every time you do that, there's a risk involved there.
Operations Manager Jason Ingram feels much better using the UV lights. He handled the chlorine gas for nearly 15 years.
I guess something connects right, you'll get a little hit of that, and everybody who's ever dealt with this has had a little taste, let's just put it that way. It's like a bad cough, I mean, and you're continuously doing it, and you're just trying to clear your lungs. I mean, it'll continue through the day, depending on how much dosage you've got.
Chlorine gas can be deadly, and if there was a major leak, it would affect people near the plant, like those along the north bank of the White River, just across from the facility.
If chemicals off-site, that risk is removed, so you get the same result. You don't get E. coli going out to the river.
Both processes take care of the E. coli before it goes out to the White River. But now the plant doesn't have to have as much as 20 tons of chlorine gas sitting on the premises at one time. Live in Muncie, Mary Eber, Newslink, Indiana.
While there hasn't been any major leaks at the plant for more than 30 years, they did have a small leak about 5 years ago due to a faulty valve. But quick response ensured that nobody was hurt.